do we really use only 10% of our brain? And is the universe infinite? Remember that scene in Lucy where Scarlett Johansson unlocks 100% of her brain and suddenly becomes a superhuman computer goddess? Yeah, that whole "we only use 10% of our brain" thing, total myth. It's one of the most popular science misconceptions ever, that somewhere inside us lies a hidden superpower, waiting to be unlocked. But here's the truth. We use almost every part of our brain, every single day. Modern brain scans show that even when you're chilling on the couch, your neurons are firing all over the place, processing sounds, maintaining balance, storing memories, managing temperature, and a dozen other things you're not even aware of. So no, you're not sitting on a 90% brain upgrade. You're already running at full power. All right, that's one myth down. Now let's go bigger, way bigger. Because if the brain isn't infinite, what about the universe? You might think that's a simple yes or no question, but here's the twist. Scientists still don't know whether the universe is infinite or not, and they might never know. Here's how we got here. Back in ancient Greece, guys like Aristotle and Euclid didn't really think about infinity as a real thing. Fast forward to the Renaissance. Copernicus realized the stars went far beyond our solar system. Then, in California, at the Mount Wilson Observatory, Edwin Hubble studied a faint glow in the sky and realized that nebula wasn't part of our galaxy. It was another galaxy, just like ours, unimaginably far away. And that discovery changed everything. Later, a Russian mathematician named Alexander Friedman, using Einstein's theory of relativity, suggested something crazy. The universe isn't static, it's expanding. His ideas inspired what we now call the Big Bang Theory, the moment everything began. But if the universe had a beginning, can it really be infinite? Maybe not infinite, but unbounded. Think of it like this. Time and space stretch, but they still have an origin. We even know the universe's approximate age, about 13.8 billion years. We calculated that from the color and brightness of the oldest stars, and later confirmed it with the Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990. So when we look through a telescope, we can only see about 14 billion light years away, because that's how far light has traveled since the Big Bang. Beyond that, it's literally invisible. The light hasn't had time to reach us yet. But that horizon is expanding, just like the universe itself, meaning that over time, we'll be able to see more of the cosmos. If it ever ends, that is. Imagine you're on a ship in the middle of an endless ocean. No map, no land in sight. You don't know where the shore is, or if it even exists. That's us, floating in space, looking for the edge of everything. So, is the universe infinite? We can't say for sure. But the search, that's what keeps science moving forward. And that's baby science,